Hey everybody, Sam Cholbowski here from Motion.io. Whether you're a client who's been invited to a Motion.io portal or a business owner that's simply curious about what the client side of Motion.io looks like, this video will walk you through how our client portals work and the key areas that either you or your clients will interact with throughout projects. If you're a client of a business using Motion.io, one of the best parts is how effortless Motion.io makes it to access your portal. Unlike other tools, with Motion.io, there's no need to create an account or remember a password. Anytime you get an email about a task, a message, or a product update, clicking the button in any of the emails you receive from Motion.io will automatically log you in and bring you straight to the exact task, message, or page within your portal that you need. If you've visited your portal already and noticed that it looks a little different from the one on my screen, that's because every Motion.io portal, as well as emails you receive about the projects you've been invited to, can be fully customized by the business you're working with to match their exact branding and business. Inside your portal, the sidebar on the left gives you access to different pages related to your projects. On the home page, you'll see an overview of the projects you've been added to, along with quick links to any tasks that need your attention and recent messages you've received. Below the home page in your sidebar, you'll see the name of each project you've been invited to. Clicking the drop-down under a project will reveal project-specific tabs with important resources, links to websites, and even fully functional embedded versions of other tools you might need to interact with throughout your project. In addition to any of the custom project tabs, the task tab, which is a default and included in every project you've been invited to, is typically the one that you'll use the most. Inside the tasks tab of a specific project, you'll find a visual progress tracker that updates automatically as the project moves forward. You'll also see a full list of tasks for that project. Tasks are typically organized into stages that help you understand what's being worked on and why you might need to complete the tasks that you've been assigned. If you'd like to view the tasks just assigned to you that you need to complete, clicking into the My Tasks page, which appears just below your list of projects, will allow you to do so. Clicking on a task from this page will open it in a modal that includes instructions for completing it. Once it's done, just hit Mark as completed to let the business you're working with know that it's finished. If you have a question about a task as you're completing it, you can use the comment bar on the right-hand side to reach out. Typing the @ symbol lets you tag someone from the team you're working with directly, so they'll be notified right away and can respond to your question. Below the My Tasks page is the Files page. On this page, you'll be able to access, view, and download all of the files you've uploaded to your portal, as well as view any of the files and folders that have been shared with you across projects. At the bottom of the options in your sidebar will be the Messages page. This is where you can send and reply to chat messages, upload files, and even record and send voice messages to the team you're working with. And that covers it. You should now have everything you need to navigate your portal efficiently and make communication and collaboration on projects seamless. That said, if you have questions about your project, the tasks that you need to complete, or even how your portal works, getting in touch with the team that you're working with is easy. Just send a message from the Messages page or comment on a task to get in touch.